asking me about alimony. And Indiana doesn't really have alimony, does it?
Indiana doesn't have alimony. It does allow for maintenance. And there's three forms of maintenance. There's temporary maintenance, there's rehabilitative maintenance, and there's permanent maintenance.
So what's the difference between those three?
Temporary maintenance is just during while a divorce is pending, a spouse can petition the court for payments until the matter is finalized at the final hearing.
And then rehabilitative maintenance?
So sometimes we have clients that have been out of the workforce, or there's been an interruption in their education. So the classic example of this is somebody that's maybe started training or has gone to college for a couple of years, had to drop out of college to be a homemaker or take care of children. So they need some time to reacclimate into the workforce. And so rehabilitative maintenance is available, but for a limited period of time. The maximum amount is up to 3 years.
Okay, and then the last time, permanent maintenance. When would that be available?
Yeah, so permanent maintenance is kind of unique circumstances where we have a disability involved. It could be that the spouse is disabled and she has to forego, or he or she has to forego employment, or if a spouse is taking care of a disabled child and has to forego employment.
Okay. So there's really no alimony like what a lot of people think of or are scared of when they're getting a divorce. They're going to be paying their spouse forever.
That's correct.
In most cases, that's not the case.
That's not the case.
Okay. And then whenever you have these where they might be an issue in a specific case, kind of divorce, how do we know how much those are going to be, or how are they calculated or determined?
Yeah, so there's lots of things the court takes into consideration, and I think that's why it's important that you have an attorney that understands what the court's going to be looking at. We're going to be looking at the earning capacities of the spouses. We're going to be looking at education. We're going to look at how long someone's been out of the workforce, why they've been out of the workforce, how much property is available to both spouses. So the court's going to look at those factors in determining an appropriate spousal maintenance award.
So it's important that you have somebody who knows how to calculate all of those, what level to put on each of those so that we can get an appropriate number.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of consideration that goes into that, so it's really important you have an attorney that understands that process.